Here's one of the top stories right now on news4jax.com. A woman who was run over while lying on Jacksonville Beach is now out of the hospital. These photos were taken while she was receiving treatment. She was injured last Friday around 5:45 in the evening as she was stretched out on the sand near 15th Avenue North. Channel 4's Ashley Mitchum is joining us live from the scene. She now has the police report for us. Ashley?
Tom, I did go through that police report, very lengthy, a lot of witnesses. I'm here where it happened on 15th Avenue North. The rental company right here, it's north, it's East Coast Sports Rentals. Again, it is North 15th Avenue where this is, right by the Courtyard Marriott. Now, this company, police say, is responsible for what happened. They rent things out like bikes, umbrellas, chairs, and what they do is they use ATVs to transport that gear to the beach. According to Jacksonville Beach Police, a 17-year-old who works at East Coast Sports Rentals was driving this ATV when it ran over the 48-year-old mother who was sunbathing. These are photos of that mother, Tonine Doda, who's now being represented by attorney John Phillips, who tells us she was sunbathing, lying down on her back when she heard a loud noise and was immediately run over. She went unconscious for a period and woke up to someone doing CPR on her. Her memory about the whole incident is limited. She was rushed to the hospital and treated for a series of orthopedic and neurological injuries. Her attorney also says the Florida Supreme Court has stated sunbathers do have the right to lay out. They have the dominant right on the beach.
There is no excuse. If you're operating a four-wheel vehicle on the beach, you need to look around for sunbathers. That's I don't care what happens, that's your fault.
I spoke to the owner of East Coast Sports Rentals. He tells me they are sorry for what happened. This picture given to us by a viewer of the accident shows just how chaotic the scene was. The first to respond at the scene was a lifeguard whose stand was just one block down on 16th Avenue North.
Keeping in mind that no one on the beach is expecting a vehicle to be there, so it's completely your responsibility to, err on the side of caution.
As far as what's next for Doda, she is going to see a specialist this week because at some point she lost some sensation in her arm, also her leg, so she will be continuing to follow up with doctors. As for the teen that was driving that ATV, I spoke with his father. He didn't want to go on camera, but he said his son is devastated about what happened and it was a terrible accident. Live from Jacksonville Beach, Ashley Mitchum, Channel 4, the local station.